Hello everyone, welcome to another adventure over here on RJB Wildlife. Today we are going to be indulging in the Spring Safari event here at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park. This is a seasonal event that occurs middle of March to the middle of May, specifically March 16th to May 12th. And really it's just going to be all focused around pollinators, bees, butterflies, and just the overall springtime feel. So if you're ready for another great adventure, let's go. The majority of the festivities here are going to be occurring in the Safari Base Camp area and over in the Nairobi Village, which are neighboring each other. The music you hear right now is going to be from Safari Park 197.2, which is the radio station that plays here during these events, playing all these old pop tunes. So now we are going to try the first item of the Spring Safari event. For that, it is going to be the cream cheese wontons that are sold over here at the Thorn Tree Terrace. This is the specialty item for the event. First bite tastes exactly what you think a cream cheese wonton tastes like, but it's fresh. We made it fresh. The strawberry jam gives it a sweetness that really complements the savory cream cheese aspect. Very crunchy. But overall, I'd say very solid. So we are actually doing the butterfly safari today. I'm going to show you what this entails, but really we're just going to take a look to start here at some of the butterfly displays that they have before you walk in. So the cool thing about this experience is you get a nectar tube, and hopefully one of these butterflies, I think there's 4 species in here, will land on it and you'll get to see how they pollinate. So the reason why this is a big event here at the Spring Safari at the Safari Park is because butterflies, along with bees, are going to be very important to the pollination process as it pertains to the reproduction of plants, specifically flowers and other plants like that. So when these animals feed from the nectar of those plants, they then transport to the next plant to feed from, and the plants in the process. So when they do that, they will then carry the seeds from the other plants or some of the fertilization from the other plants to others, therefore spreading across plants and keeping them around so that they can then reproduce and move on to the next life cycle. There are 4 butterfly species here in the butterfly jungle for the butterfly safari, and the largest of them is going to be this guy, the blue morpho. This guy's going to be found in Central South America, typically in Costa Rica, and it gets its name because of the blue colors on the inside portion of its wing. On the other side, kind of has this cryptic brown eye spot pattern, which is indicative of most butterflies. They use this thing called mimicry. So, like a monarch butterfly will be this vibrant orange and black and gray. That's to deter predators, whereas in this is to deter predators, act as camouflage, but when they fly, I think the key to this is standing still. Now that was an extremely rewarding experience. For those of you that want to do this, it is $15 for an extra safari. It's very special. You grab that little pollinator tube or nectar tube, whatever you want to call it, and if they fly to you and land on it, it makes it even more special. Here in the Zestival shed where they are doing some specialty beverages for the Spring Safari. In this case, it is the spiked strawberry lemonade, which has some strawberry chunks in it and is some citrus vodka and strawberry lemonade combo, something like that. It's very refreshing. It's a very sweet, beverage for a hot day like today. It's actually 75 degrees out there currently. So on days like this, it's going to be really great. Very sweet. It's got a hint that lemonade. You can kind of get a little bit of the vodka. It's not heavy. Also, it comes in this nice little plastic mason jar with Butterfly Jungle on it. That is going to do it for today's event guide for the Spring Safari at the St. Agatha Safari Park. Once again, if you liked this video, please hit the like button. And if you really liked this video, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. That way you're notified whenever new content hits my channel. And once again, until next time, I hope to see you all again on the next adventure. RJB Wildlife.